If you've launched your boat at a public boat ramp, then odds are good you've experienced ramp rage. What is ramp rage? Well, ramp rage is when somebody plugs the entire ramp and nobody else can move. The line backs up, people get frustrated. So there are some unwritten rules to boat ramp etiquette. First, when you get to the ramp, that's not the time that you want to be, getting your fishing rods out of the rod storage, rigging your lines, putting on your sunscreen, or even getting your tube ropes ready. If you need to do that stuff, you want to park in the parking lot. This ramp here, for instance, has 2 ramps, so people could be coming and going constantly. There's a roundabout here. So when I'm getting my boat ready, I don't want to be in that roundabout. I want to be in the parking lot where I'm not affecting anybody else. Once all my stuff is ready, then I get in line. When I put my boat in the water, it's also important to note if there's a parking spot where I could, move my boat out of the way so that the lines can keep moving, do that, and then go park your truck. We all have motors to trim, plugs to put in, and straps to undo. But if we are aware of our surroundings at the boat ramp and we help others out, we'll all be launching a lot more smoothly.